Good morning for another day of refitting Tonley. Today it's another day of insulation work, and look at this beauty. Isn't this just the most perfect insulated window that you have ever seen? Everything fits so well. I'm amazed by my own work. No, but yeah, it's done insulation. The freshwater supply hose is fixed as well. So onwards to the next window. Welcome to the nav station. This is where the instrumentation panels are, engine controls, radio, wind, navtex, and so on. And another window. Well, right now they're not windows, they're wooden panels that we glued in. But there are gonna be windows there.
Robert is in a insulation fever today. So we went to the ferreteria, to the store, to buy new spray glue. And now he's gluing in the insulation of the second last window.
I'm waiting for the glue to dry. This is a bad moment.
So?
I'm getting slightly high in here.
Yeah. High up glue high. Glue high in space. I can't stop but thinking of a spaceship when I see this silver lining of our boat. And the beautiful red sunset outside.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, we're playing What Is It Worth to You? Because we have to go to the engine room again and clean out diesel again, which is a job because it includes contortionists' positions, smelly diesel, and darkness. So we'll play What It's Worth to You. Each of us names a price. The other one can accept it or not, and then we'll see where we settle. And I offer a foot massage of the length of any episode of XY that we watch, up to and including half an hour.
What?
Let's say
Sorry.
maximum of half an hour.
A foot massage as long as an episode of a series takes.
Well, not an hour, but maybe half an hour.
Half an hour foot massage.
Sure.
I'll take it. I do it. Said I go.
Can you see the
Happy
happy
me?
face? Well,
So happy me.
can you see this happy face? Because I don't need to clean diesel now. I think this is a great trade.
Well, I'm happy with half an hour foot massage. It's okay.
That's how it works.
Yeah, that's how it works. So easy.
What is it worth to you? Shortest game ever. By the way, what we still need to do at one point is what's the flag? What's the flag? Again, we're back in the front cabin with the backpack with the random flags, and we're going to select the random flag. Another famous flag that is important to us. I know what it is. Do you know what it is?
I don't know what it is.
Is it a letter from the phonetic alphabet? Is it a country flag? Is it a special flag that says something else? Well, you guess, write it in the comments, and we're gonna resolve it a bit later. Cheerio. Welcome to the back of the boat. This is the very back, our targa, or the equipment bar where the solar panels live and the radar lives and the horn lives, but this is not why we're here. This is why we're here. This lid leads into the aft locker, and the aft locker is one of our 5 watertight compartments, and it is also where the steering lives. And it is where I'm headed now. That's why I'm wearing my cave exploration gear with the headlamp, my bandana to keep my hair nice and clean. And yeah, it's deep, it's dark, And what I need to do is to find out if there is any rust in there. Or actually rather, how bad the rust in there is. I'm sure there is. I know there is. Let's get in. We need tools. So we have hammer, chisel, and a small crowbar. Surprisingly bright. Alright, so what do we have here? Oh yeah, trash from adding some fat. Okay, so this is the exhaust. It loops over there and circles back there. Then this thing here is the steering that goes to a unit that used to be here, which has a mechanical translation to a lever that then goes here and moves the rudder stock that used to be here. But we took the rudder out a while ago to be able to access all this. And what I can see here is this part down here that looks extremely dirty and a bit rusty too. It looks like here that there might be some separation. So this is the tar, this is steel, this is steel. Here there is some, there used to be some rust here that someone painted. So we for sure need to get the paint off to be able to measure it with the ultrasounds for steel thickness and then see if we need to weld something, which I hope we don't, because this is an awkward position. Yeah, it definitely looks rusty. Well, but with steel, even if it looks rusty, it doesn't need to be necessarily rotten underneath. It's surprising how much rust you can actually chip off and find still enough good steel underneath. That's at least what we keep telling ourselves. So yeah, this is how it looks down here. What's the flag? I had this flag picked at random from our flag bag. What is it? What could it be?
What did you think it is?
What did you think? This way around, it's something else than this way around. This way is the correct way to put it. It's a letter again from the phonetic alphabet, or from the flag alphabet in this case. So if we fly this, we're signaling the letter H from the phonetic alphabet, hotel. So hotel, and we put up this flag, letter H. We can communicate by flags.
That means that we have free birth and everyone can come around, but as it is a hotel, you have to pay something for a birth. So this flag is very handy if you want to make money.
I'm not sure if it carries that much meaning, but yeah, why not? With this, if you fly this flag, you're signaling that you have a pilot on board. So a pilot, not an airplane pilot, but a pilot that is on board to bring you in difficult harbors, difficult harbor entrances, bars, canals. In the Panama Canal, you will probably have a pilot on board. So if you have one on board, you fly this one, and then the pilot can be picked up again. That was the flag.